This is the 30 pack of the Mr. Pen blank greeting cards. These are bright, these are cheerful, and they instantly feel like something you'll reach for all year long. The designs are so cute, not childish at all. Clean patterns, bold colors, and a nice mix that works for thank you notes, birthdays, or just a quick personal note. Each card has a color coordinated envelope, and it really makes this set look intentionally put together. The cardstock is sturdy and smooth, which makes writing so easy. No smearing, no rough texture, and no flimsy bend. These are nice cardstock. The inside is fully blank, so you have plenty of space to write more than just a 2-word message. These are true for all occasions. They can be used for kids, adults, coworkers, neighbors, toss in a gift bags. And I love the variety of designs. Each envelope fits the card well and very easily slides in. Comes in coordinating colors. The whole thing looks so elevated. These are so easy to store in a drawer, a desk organizer, or a card box. Bottom line, cute designs, thick cards, matching envelopes, and versatile enough for any occasion. A reliable grab and go set that you're actually going to use. Highly recommend.